Hello students. So this part I have given you all to frame some sentences by your own. So as you can see the heading I have written raw materials to frame sentences. Each line has few raw materials of the vocabulary. You have to take this vocabulary and then frame one sentence. Yeah. Try to write this vocabulary in your classwork notebook first. Write this vocabulary page in your classwork notebook. After writing these vocabularies in your classwork notebook, then we will start framing the sentence. How to frame? I'll tell you. So once you have written this down in your classwork notebook, then you have to take your homework notebook. In the homework notebook, we are going to write the heading of the page as, I'll show you that now, as ish. So this is my homework notebook. Okay. So in my homework notebook, I have given the heading to this page as ish. Then I have written one formula over here. Yeah, one formula I have written over here. You can even write the formula with different color if you want. This is my main page called ish. My page name is ish because all the sentences on this particular page will be starting with the pronoun ish only. Yeah. So as you can see ish, I have given you few examples because I cannot write all these sentences because that has to be done by you. So I have given you few examples. So write this formula first. To frame a sentence, you should have a pronoun, that is a personal pronomen. Then a verb should be there which you are going to conjugate. Conjugate means putting proper endings according to the pronomen. And then whatever hence thing is there, you have to copy paste. For example, as we have seen in our classwork notebook, when you see, yeah. So before doing the video, first write down in your classwork notebook the material which I told you before this to write, and then watch this particular video. So as you can see, the raw materials are first sentence ins, cafe and gehen. Now you all tell me what is the verb in this sentence, because pronoun is not there, but pronoun we have already written as the heading of the page, that is ish, in our homework notebook. So all these sentences of course starting with the pronoun ish only. In this particular, as I told you, gehen is a verb. So pronoun is ish. As we know, the whole homework page of that one is going to start with the ish word. हमको पूरा वो पेज इश से ही स्टार्ट करना है सेंटेंस, सारे सेंटेंसेस टोटल 11 होंगे. सो टोटल 11 सेंटेंस तो इश से ही हमको स्टार्ट करने हैं. अभी इस वाले लाइन में वर्ब क्या है ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि प्रोनाउन तो हमें पता है वो इश है. देन वर्ब क्या है? ये वर्ब है गेहन, लेजन, गेहन. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज प्रैक्टिस द वर्ब फ्रॉम योर कलेक्शन. Try to read it on regular basis, which you have already made collections, yeah, from the videos, whichever collections you all have made. So gehen is to go, lesen is to read, essen is to eat. So these are verbs. So taking this as a verb and taking the pronoun, you're going to frame a sentence. So the first line is gehen is a verb. So I have written the ish word as mentioned. Then I have written the verb gehen. I have conjugated it as e because of ish, and then I have copy pasted because here it is written copy paste. Okay, it is copy paste. So I have copy pasted it in cafe. This part I have copy pasted. Now our main concern is you should know that after the pronoun the verb should end with e, and you also should know the meaning of the verb. That is gehen, the meaning is to go. So we have written the meaning with the black color pen, to go. And the meaning has to be conjugated in which manner, that also you should know. So you have to go and check that gehen verb belongs to which collection. Normal, TD rule, S rule, vocal verb and rule, vocal verb and plus S rule. Yeah, you have to check those. And then only mention that it is from which particular verb. So don't randomly write normal rule over there. Check whether that is in the same collection, then only write it down. S rule is different. Vocal verb and plus S rule is different. So be very particular while writing the rule. So in this manner I have given some examples. Ich lese Nachrichten. So because of ish I have put E, but this lazen word I have conjugated from which collection? So that is from vocal verben plus S rule. So this is a short form of vocal verben plus S rule. In the same manner, essen, treffen. So treffen is from which collection? So treffen, when you see the vocal verben collection, you will see that the treffen word was there. So in this manner, total 11 sentences. Please conjugate properly with proper construction of the sentence. Yeah, with because of the pronoun, the ending should be this. So this is the ish page. Once you have done your ish page, so this is the air page in your homework notebook. So this is a new page you will take after finishing ish sentences. And whatever the raw materials are there in your classwork notebook, with those you are going to make some sentences with air also. Now here all the sentence will start with air. So air gate, see the spelling, I have changed it due to air. And also I have checked it that it is a normal rule. If you see in the air, total spelling only changed, not only the endings but whole spelling, because it is vocal verben plus S rule. So you have to be very careful from where you are writing the verb, and you have to know it properly. The meaning also you need to write. So in this manner you can conjugate all 11 verbs and with all 11 sentences in a proper manner and build sentences. Yeah. In the same manner, you can, once you have done with all these raw materials, then you can take a new page. Take a new page, and on that new page you can start all these sentences with wir pronoun. Same criteria. With wir you can start. I want you to try for wir by your own, so that I'll understand you understood the topic or not. Yeah, please do it and do send it to me.